Today will be a wonderful family trip.
Wow, look at all these trains.
The station is so big. Stay close to us, children.
I am buying our train tickets now.
There are so many trains today. I want to ride a very fast train. We will have a fun journey together.
Our train will arrive very soon.
I can see platform 3 ahead. Everything looks so exciting today. Stay together while we walk. Wow, that train is huge. It is even bigger than I imagined.
This is the train we will take today.
The adventure is about to begin.
We will board the train very soon.
I cannot wait to sit by the window. This is going to be so much fun. Keep your bags close to you. Look at those amazing toy trains. They look very colorful.
Stay close while we wait here.
We will board the train soon. Can I look at the toy trains?
Only for a moment, stay nearby.
I want to see them too. Do not go far from us.
These toy trains look amazing.
My favorite one is the blue train. Remember, our train will leave soon.
Stay where we can see you.
Wow, there is another train inside. That one is very big.
Boarding time is getting closer.
Children, stay where we can see you.
Passengers may now board the train.
Come on, everyone, it is time to board.
I am coming.
Just one more look at this train.
Oh, they are already boarding.
Come on, everyone.
The train looks exciting. Stay together, please. Wait for me.
The train will leave soon.
I can already see our seats. Keep moving, everyone.
Which train is ours?
They look almost the same.
This way, everyone.
I am right behind you. They must already be inside. I need to hurry.
Doors will close soon.
I am coming! I made it just in time. My family must be inside.
Doors are closing.
That was very close.
Good. I got on the train in time. My family must be sitting somewhere.
Excuse me, little boy.
I will find them quickly.
George, where are you? Mary, are you here? This train is very big. I cannot find anyone.
The station is very far away now.
Where is my family? I cannot see George or Jackey. Did I get on the wrong train? I think I got on the wrong train. What should I do now?